Today I am going to explain linear differential equations. This topics belongs to differential equations. Now again, what is linear differential equations? Uh, a linear differential equations and ordinary differential equations is called a linear if the dependent variables and its derivative occur only in the first degree and not multiple together. Otherwise, it is nonlinear differential equations. Here, now we have an example. Example number 1. In example number 1, we observe that y is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. Now, derivative of dependent variable and power of dependent variable, both power is 1. That's why it is examples of linear differential equations. dy by dx plus 2y equal to 7x cube. The order of differential equation is 1. That's why it is examples of linear differential equations. Now example number 2. P0 dny upon dx to the power n plus P1 d to the power n minus 1y upon dx to the power n minus 1 plus dot 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 plus Pny equal to q. Now where P0, P1, P2 dot 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 Pn q are all functions of x only and P not equal to 0. In these equations, we observe that the derivatives of dependent variable, its power is 1. In every step, in every sections, the power of dependent variable, the power of derivative of dependent variable is 1. That's why it is examples of linear differential equations. Next, linear differential equation is always of degree 1, but every differential equations of degree 1 need not be linear. Now examples: d square y upon dx square minus 5 sin x dy by dx whole to the power 3 is equal to 3y. In this differential equations, highest order of derivative is 2. Now power of this higher derivative is 1. So degree of differentiations, now degree of this differential equation is 1. But dy by dx to the power 3, where y is dependent variable and derivative of this dependent variable is 3. That's why it is not linear differential equations. So it is examples where degree of differential equation is 1, but it is not linear differential equations. Now some cases are there where differential equation is not linear. First, if differential equation, the degree of differential equation is more than 1, here highest order derivative is 2 and the degree of this differential equation is 2. The degree of this differential equation is 2 greater than 1. That's why it is examples of nonlinear differential equations. Example number 2. In this examples, any one of the differential equations has power more than 1 is examples of non-differential equations. Here, the order of differential equations is 2 and degree of differential equation is 1, highest order is 2 and the power of this differential equation is 1. But dy by dx, where y is a dependent variable and derivative of this dependent variable is 2 more than 1, that's why it is examples of nonlinear differential equations. Now example number 3. In this examples, power of the dependent variable is more than 1. Here y is a dependent variable and its power is more than 1. That's why it is examples of linear differential equations. Example number 4. The product of containing dependent variable and its derivative coefficient are present. Here y is dependent variables and dy by dx is derivative of dependent variable. Both are in the forms of product. That's why it is examples of linear differential equations.